struggles with.
That is what you call traveling.
Safety first. Hey guys! From our previous video, we had lots of fun and new experiences at Istanbul.
Now we are headed to Sabiha Airport, fly to Dalaman, and drive to Fethiye.
We have zero idea on what's ahead of us.
So hop on, let's explore Fethiye. Gusto mong kainin? Pwede ba? Hindi.
Ulan. Hindi pala. Ambon. Maganda kasi tingnan mo yung malakas ang ulan.
Oo nga.
Siguro pwede dito yung mga tipong gusto nyo mag-chills. Pero gusto nyo ng party. Sadly, it was raining. We tried to make the best out of it though.
We were to visit Oludeniz, Blue Lagoon. Then again, the rain caught its timing.
Chin up, cause we're on to the next one.
Bodrum, here we come.
Saan punta?
Live for today, let's get carried away. I need you now. Bake when we wake, there's some room for mistakes. You need me now. Leave the worry for tomorrow in those jeans you wore last night. To be honest, I don't care if I'm right. We can go up on the wayside, we can go off in the daylight. I just want la 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 la. We can go off on the wayside, you've been what's missing my whole life. I just want la 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 la. Only got 5% on my phone, bring your ass over as soon as I'm home. I just wanna stay all night in bed with you. The things we're doing ain't for the weak. Can we just talk and touch till we sleep? I feel like you can show me a thing or two.
Happy anniversary, Mal.
Happy anniversary, Mal. I love you.
Love you, Mar. Ready ka na? Saan ka punta?
Tawag Papadokya.
Let's go!